Hello everyone, Rajkumar this side. I hope you all are fine and safe at home with your family member. Dear students, today we will discuss the topic secretarial practice from office procedure and practice subject. Let's start now. A secretary or a personal assistant is the backbone of any organization whose work requires a variety of project management, communication, and organization skills. The work profile of a secretary is today is not the same as was in decade past. The word secretary is origin from the Latin word sectarius, which means a confidential person. The word convey an idea of secrecy. The title of secretary is generally used to apply to an official who conduct confidential correspondence and perform such work. In nowadays, the duty of a secretary have become so varied that a modern secretary is not a longer just limited to perform confidential work. A secretary is also sometimes called personal assistant, executive assistant, or professional secretary. Now we will discuss the importance of a secretary. A secretary is the backbone of any organization and play the important role to conduct the business in government, professional, commercial, and the industrial organization of all kinds. The secretary attend to the time-consuming detail of the work of the executive and help her to do the job in the better way. It is the secretary who takes care of office mails, prepare the drafts, answer the phone calls, to record management, makes the tour program, operate bank transactions, arrange the meetings, and prepare the minutes of meetings. Some different kinds of secretaries are private secretary, secretary to a club or an association, secretary appointed by government, central government, secretary by the company. A private secretary also may be called a personal secretary or personal assistant. She is mostly employed by business executive, politician, professional, and other important person who need secretarial help to attend to their routine works so that they could focus on those jobs which require highly level to managerial and the decision making skill. In the secretary to a club, the members of managing committee select and appointed a secretary to the perform various administrative tasks to run the office of a sports club, cultural club, or an now secretary appointed by government. In India, every minister has headed by a minister. Through a minister is the head of a ministry. A secretary is appointed through Indian Administrative Service, who act as an executive head of the ministry. He or she is very senior official of the government. In the company secretary, basically a company secretary ensure accuracy of the provision of the company's laws and other status and law by of the company. Now, a job profile for a PA. In the view of global era and development in the IT skills, work profile of a PA has entirely changed. Even the manager at junior level were also taking secretarial help to in order of discharge their duty. But since the advent of the computer, usually the junior and to some middle level managers are performing most of their routine administrative jobs like preparing letters, sending of mails, records management, etc. Now we will discuss the duty of a PA. A PA has some routine duties and some miscellaneous duties. Now we will discuss the routine duties. In routine office duty, a PA will take dictation and script the same on computer. Second, tabulate data, make simple calculation, etc. Third, do correspondence with other organizations on their instructions of the boss. Fourth, handle inward and outward physical mail and email. Maintain record, operate office machines and do their maintenance. Maintain appointment diary, memory aids, and locate information from various sources including internet. Arranging the planning tour program of the executive, and one more routine duty, attending the license duties like telephone calls, visitor handling, inquiry, etc. Now we will discuss the miscellaneous duty. Miscellaneous duties are prepare PowerPoint presentation on various topics, work as data entry operator, draft the reports and speech for the meeting and workshops, etc. Supervise the junior employees and their training, etc. Act as a license officer between the employer and the employees. Qualification of a PA. A PA should be